Hey there, welcome back to Brainy Lab. Today, we're delving into a topic that's all about strengthening your relationship dynamics, how to make him worry about losing you. Now, before you hit that panic button, we're not suggesting manipulation. Instead, we'll explore healthy ways to enhance your connection and keep the spark alive. If you're ready to learn some relationship wisdom, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our content. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Focus on your individual growth. It might sound counterintuitive, but fostering personal growth can actually bring you closer as a couple. When you invest time in your passions, hobbies, and self-improvement, it not only makes you more interesting but also shows your partner that you're an independent and fulfilled person. This can make him value your presence even more, worrying about the prospect of losing such an amazing partner. Number 2. Maintain your self-confidence. Confidence is irresistibly attractive. When you radiate self-assurance and self-love, it naturally makes your partner value you even more. So, focus on your strengths, be proud of your achievements, and carry yourself with grace. It sends a subtle message that you know your worth and won't settle for less. Number 3. Healthy boundaries and independence. Healthy relationships thrive when both partners have a balance between togetherness and individuality. Make sure to maintain your own interests and friendships. Having time apart can actually make your moments together more cherished, making him worry about losing the amazing bond you share. Number 4. Communication, the open door policy. Transparent communication is the cornerstone of any strong relationship. Share your feelings, concerns, and dreams openly. When you communicate effectively, it creates an environment of trust and emotional intimacy. This connection can lead him to worry about the impact of losing such a deep connection. Number 5. Prioritize emotional intimacy. Emotional intimacy goes beyond physical attraction. Share your thoughts, fears, and vulnerabilities. When you create a space where both of you can be your authentic selves without judgment, it strengthens the emotional bond. He'll naturally value this depth and worry about the possibility of losing it. Number 6. Surprise and spontaneity. Keep the excitement alive by introducing surprise and spontaneity into your relationship. Plan unexpected dates or surprise gestures that keep the relationship fresh. It reminds him of the excitement you bring to his life, making him worry about losing the thrill you offer. Number 7. Support his goals and dreams. Show genuine interest in his aspirations. Offer support, encouragement, and celebrate his achievements. When he sees you as his biggest cheerleader, he'll understand the unique value you bring to his journey, making the thought of losing you unsettling. Number 8. Reflect on your relationship journey. Occasionally, reminisce about your journey as a couple, the challenges you've overcome, the growth you've experienced, and the joyful moments you've shared. Reflecting on this journey can evoke deep emotional connections, making him worry about losing the history you've built together. And that wraps up our guide on how to make him worry about losing you in a healthy and genuine way. Remember, these strategies aren't about manipulation but about nurturing a strong, loving bond that's worth preserving. Have any questions or want to share your thoughts? Feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share it with friends who might benefit. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more relationship insights coming your way. Until next time, take care and keep nurturing those meaningful connections.